How to cancel Remini subscriptions. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can cancel your Remini subscription. In order to cancel the Remini subscription, make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. The first thing, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, go ahead and log in into your Play Store. As you open up your Play Store, then tap the profile icon from the top right hand side and a pop-up menu appears. From there, you have to go to payment and subscription. After that, you need to go ahead and select the subscription option, and as you tap on it, then you'll be able to find all of the subscription that you've actually made. If you see Remini or any other subscription, go ahead and select the Remini option, and next you have to go ahead and tap on cancel subscription located right at the bottom. As you do that, there will be a confirmation right at the bottom. If you're sure about it, then click on the cancel subscription button, and then you've successfully canceled your Remini subscription. So that is how you can cancel your Remini subscription. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.